Welcome to the Soft Spa Frequently Asked Questions Explainer video. In this video, we'll answer some of the most common questions and misconceptions surrounding bidets and the Soft Spa 9500. Unlike traditional bidets or bidet attachments, Soft Spa replaces your existing toilet seat, installing in about 30 minutes and requiring no help from a plumber. Simply follow our detailed instructions or watch our installation video for more information. Soft Spa can accommodate up to 300 pounds and features an elongated seat, allowing it to fit on both elongated and round bowls. If used with a round bowl style, note the front of the bidet seat will overhang slightly. This is normal and will not impact the functionality of the bidet. Contact us for a free template to see how it will fit your toilet. The Soft Spa bidet seat features a 4-foot-long electrical cord equipped with a GFCI plug. While it's recommended to install a GFCI outlet to accompany your bidet, a temporary extension cord can be utilized. If selecting this option, remember to use a 3-prong grounded extension cord rated for 15 amps. Soft Spa connects directly to your home's water line supply, utilizing the same water from the faucet or shower, and comes with an anti-siphon device to prevent any backflow. The provided T-valve allows fresh water to travel to both the tank and the bidet seat. Soft Spa uses no more water than washing your hands, making it an eco-friendly solution for bathroom cleanup. The bidet has a built-in heating mechanism that instantly warms the water from the water supply line and is fully adjustable to deliver your desired temperature. Soft Spa also has a customizable heated seat to complete the spa-like experience. We hope you're enjoying your new Soft Spa bidet. Please visit our website for more information.